Do a base 10 mix-up game where 2 to 4 players can play. You will need certain things out of our kit. You'll need the EduStick 100 tiles, you'll need the EduStick 10 tiles, and you'll need EduStick 1 tiles and the sorted place value dice. You also will need to have the hundreds chart, and if you play with players, you'll need 2 boards. I'm only going to demonstrate with 2 players, and the object of the game is to get the highest number. But to do that, you have to build it with the base 10 pieces and represent with each value and then get the total sum. So let's go ahead and start the game. I'm going to roll the first player's numbers. I'm going to put each one of these represented in the correct place and place those numbers there. Okay, so the first player actually didn't get any hundreds there, so I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to go ahead and take the amount of 10 tiles, and in this case, let's look at player 2's roll. This player 2 also had some interesting numbers. They're going to have 1 there, and this time there aren't any 10 tiles, but they're interestingly 5 ones. So we might want them to, just by looking at, make a prediction of who might be the winner already before we even start doing that representation. All right, let's go ahead now, and we're going to go ahead and represent the numbers. There aren't any hundreds, so I'm going to place a 0 as a placeholder. I have a 20 plus a 3. I add up all the numbers, and in this case, this player number 1 has 23. Player number 2, I'm going to represent the 100 tile. Again, I don't have any numbers there, so I'm going to represent with a 0. I have 5 ones, and so the total of this is 105. Player 2 has a larger number. I'm going to hold it up for someone to check, and clearly with the base 10 products, we can hold and have someone check it, and in this case, player number 2 definitely had the higher number. Let's go ahead. If they want to go to another round, they can go 5 rounds or 7 rounds or 8 rounds, as many as the students want to play with. EduStick, quiet, reusable manipulatives that stick to any clean, glossy surface. Glass, mirror, whiteboard, metal, tile, just a few of the fun places you can play at.